There are various ways of communication. In earlier days, there were very few technologies. There were no telephones, cell phones, and smartphones to communicate. In order to communicate with each other, people used to write letters and postmen used to deliver it to the concerned party. Basically, there are two types of letters, formal letter and informal letter. Informal letters are those that we write to our friends, family, colleagues, relatives, etc. And formal letters are those that we write to companies, business firm, government officials, class teachers, principals, police officers, etc. So in today's video, you are going to see how to write formal letter. A Hindi chapter from class 8, Chutti Patra, will teach you how to write formal letter. This is a complete video of chapter's explanation and complete notes as well. So do watch the video till end. And here, this is the explanation. This is the format of the letter. छात्र छुट्टी पत्र लिखना सीखते हैं। प्रेषक सुधा, 8वीं कक्षा, सरकारी हाई स्कूल मैसूरू। सेवा में कक्षा अध्यापक, सरकारी हाई स्कूल मैसूरू। आदरणीय महोदय, विषय 3 दिन की छुट्टी की प्रार्थना हेतु। उपयुक्त विषय के संबंध में आपसे निवेदन है कि दिनांक 4 अक्टूबर 2017 से दिनांक 6 अक्टूबर 2017 तक मुझे अपने भाई की शादी में भाग लेने के लिए बेंगलुरु जाना है, इसलिए मैं विद्यालय नहीं आ सकती। अतः आपसे प्रार्थना करती हूँ कि इन 3 दिनों की छुट्टी देने की कृपा करें। धन्यवाद सहित अभिभावक के हस्ताक्षर, आपकी आज्ञाकारी छात्र सुधा। First I will tell the hard words, then I will explain it. उपयुक्त विषय means appropriate topic, suitable topic. संबंध related, निवेदन request, भाग participate, विद्यालय school, कृपा, कृपा is a pleasing word. When we request we use this word. धन्यवाद सहित means with thanks or gratitude, thanking you, like that. अभिभावक के हस्ताक्षर means parents signature. आपकी आज्ञाकारी छात्र, yours obediently. So these words we use when we write a letter. See, छुट्टी पत्र means leave letter. The name of the chapter is छुट्टी पत्र, which means leave letter. It is a formal letter because you write to your class teacher. So whenever we start a formal letter, we start it from left hand side corner, that is next to the margin. We have to begin with from, that is preshak, the one who is writing the letter, his name, introduction, from where he or she is writing, all this will come under preshak. You can see in the picture a girl is writing the letter. So here Preshak is Sudha. Her name is Sudha. She is from 8th standard government high school and Mysuru. She is writing this letter from Mysore. Then below that we have to mention to whom we are writing. That is Seva Me, means to whom you are writing. So here Sudha is writing to the class teacher. Kaksha Adhyapak means class teacher. Government High School, Mysuru. I hope these 2 points are clear. Preshak and Seva Me. Preshak is the one who is writing, that is from, and Seva Me means to whom Sudha is writing. Then below that, Adarniya Mahoday, that is salutation or greeting, which means respected sir or respected madam. So these 3 points will come on the left hand side corner, and on the right side on the top we have to write date, dinank. On which date you are writing the letter, that date you have to write. Then again below Adarniya Mahoday, leave some space and write Vishay. Vishay means topic, subject. On what topic you are writing the letter. So here the topic is 3 दिन की छुट्टी की प्रार्थना हेतु. You are requesting to grant leave for 3 days. Okay. So below Vishay you have to start with your content, the main body of the letter. उपयुक्त विषय के संबंध में आपसे निवेदन है कि दिनांक 4 अक्टूबर 2017 से दिनांक 6 अक्टूबर 2017 तक मुझे अपने भाई की शादी में भाग लेने के लिए बेंगलुरु जाना है, इसलिए मैं विद्यालय नहीं आ सकती। अतः आपसे प्रार्थना करती हूँ कि इन 3 दिनों की छुट्टी देने की कृपा करें। So this is the content. I need 3 days leave from 4th October 2017 to 6th October 2017 as I have to attend my brother's marriage in Bengaluru. I will be unable to come to school. Therefore, I request you to grant me 3 days leave. Then on the left side itself, you have to write Dhanyavad Sahit, which means thanking you. Below that, your parent signature will come. That is Abhibhavak ke Hastakshar, parent signature. On the right hand side, you have to write Aapki Agyakari Chhatri. That is your obediently Sudha. Okay, so here our letter ends. This is the format of the formal letter that you can write to your class teacher, principal, companies, police, or to an editor of newspaper. Okay, so these points you have to remember, like from salutation to subject and what all the points are there, everything you have to remember. Even if you are not good at writing the letter, you have to write the format properly because it carries marks, like preshak, seva mein, adarniya mahoday. So these things, if you write properly, you will get marks in this. I hope you understood the format. Now let's see the notes. First main is एक वाक्य में उत्तर लिखिए, that is answer in one sentence. छुट्टी पत्र कौन लिख रहा है? Who is writing the leave letter? छुट्टी पत्र सुधा लिख रही है. Sudha is writing the leave letter. Here patra is written, it is spelling mistake. You don't write patra, write patra. That a की मात्रा will not come here. Then second question is Sudha छुट्टी पत्र किसको लिख रही है? To whom is Sudha writing the leave letter? सुधा छुट्टी पत्र अपने कक्षा अध्यापक को लिख रही है. She is writing the leave letter to her class teacher. कक्षा अध्यापक means class teacher. Then next, सुधा कितने दिनों की छुट्टी मांग रही है? How many days leave is Sudha asking for? सुधा 3 दिनों की छुट्टी मांग रही है. She is asking leave for 3 days. Then next, सुधा क्यों छुट्टी मांग रही है? Why is Sudha asking for leave? सुधा अपने भाई की शादी में भाग लेने के लिए छुट्टी मांग रही है. She is asking leave to attend her brother's wedding. Okay, so only 4 questions are there. Then next main, मान लीजिए कि आपकी तबीयत ठीक नहीं है, यही कारण देकर 4 दिनों की छुट्टी मांगते हुए अपने प्रधान अध्यापक को छुट्टी पत्र लिखिए. See, suppose you are not well, you have to give reason for your health to your principal by writing a leave letter asking him to grant you 4 days leave. So, to whom you have to write letter? To your principal by giving the reason that your health is not good, you are not feeling well, and you have to write a leave letter to ask 4 days leave. Okay, asking him to grant you 4 days leave. So, how you will write? Format will be the same as I taught you in the beginning of the video. Okay, take a fresh page and start writing. On the right hand side corner, you have to write date, that is dinank. Then on the left hand corner, write preshak, that is from. Preshak means from. Here who is writing the letter? Seema. From 8th standard, Pathan High School, Bengaluru. You can change the name and school name, but format have to be same. Then you have to write seva mein. Seva mein means to whom you are writing the letter. In the question it was told to write to your principal, so you have to write Pradhan Adhyapak. Pradhan Adhyapak means principal. Pathan High School, Bengaluru. Then below that Adarniya Mahoday, which means respected sir. Then विषय. विषय means subject. 4 दिन की छुट्टी के लिए प्रार्थना हेतु, requesting to grant 4 days leave. Then you have to start writing the content. मैं सीमा आपके विद्यालय की 8वीं कक्षा की छात्र आपसे निवेदन करती हूँ कि मेरी तबीयत खराब है, तेज बुखार और सर्दी है। डॉक्टर ने आराम करने की सलाह दी, इसलिए 25 मार्च 2017 से 28 मार्च 2017 तक 4 दिन की छुट्टी प्रदान करने की कृपा करें। So what is the main body of the letter? That मैं सीमा, how you have to start? मैं सीमा, I सीमा, studying in your school in class 8, write this letter to inform you that my health is not good. I am suffering from fever and cold. My doctor has advised me for bed rest. Therefore, I request you to grant me leave from 25th March 2017 to 28th March 2017. Then you have to write आपकी आज्ञाकारी छात्र सीमा, योर ओबीडियंटली सीमा, धन्यवाद सहित, दैट इज थैंकिंग यू, अभिभावक के हस्ताक्षर, योर पेरेंट सिग्नेचर. So this should be the format. You can change the name of the student, you can change the school name, you can change the state name, but the format should be the same. Okay, so now let's move on to the next main, विच इज नीचे लिखे छुट्टी पत्र को क्रमानुसार लिखिए. सी इन दिस मेन wrong format is given. You have to correct it and write. All the points are given in your textbook. You have to just arrange it in order. What will come first, that you have to write properly. So first will be Preshak, that is from the one who is writing the letter. Many times I have told you Preshak means from the one who is writing the letter. If you are writing, you are the Preshak. 8वीं कक्षा सरकारी हाई स्कूल मैसूरू. Then on the right hand side, dinank, date, on which date you are writing the letter, that will come. Then below Preshak, seva mein, to whom you are writing. Seva mein means to whom you are writing. Pradhan Adhyapak, that is principal of Sarkari High School Mysuru. All these informations are given in your textbook. You have to just arrange it. Then आदरणीय महोदय, विषय छुट्टी के लिए प्रार्थना हेतु. उपयुक्त विषय के संबंध में आपसे निवेदन है कि दिनांक 1 अक्टूबर 2017 से दिनांक 6 अक्टूबर 2017 तक मेरे भाई की शादी में भाग लेने के लिए बेंगलुरु जा रही हूं, इसलिए मैं विद्यालय नहीं आ सकती. अतः आपसे प्रार्थना करती हूं कि इन 6 दिनों की छुट्टी देने की कृपा करें. अभिभावक के हस्ताक्षर, आपकी आज्ञाकारी छात्र सुधा. So this is the correct format that you have to write. Then next main is ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप. शब्द और अर्थ का सही मिलन कीजिए. मैच द वर्ड एंड द मीनिंग. यू हैव टू सेलेक्ट द करेक्ट मीनिंग फॉर द वर्ड. छुट्टी मीन्स फुर्सत, हॉलीडे. देन शादी मीन्स विवाह, मैरिज. आदरणीय मीन्स गौरवशाली, रेस्पेक्टेड. कृपा, दया, विच मीन्स मर्सी. प्रेषक, प्रेषक मीन्स फ्रॉम द वन हु इज sending the letter, भेजने वाला, the one who is sending the letter from. Okay. Then next main is नमूने के अनुसार शब्द बदलिए. According to the example, you have to change the word. See, महोदय, महोदया. सदस्य, सदस्या. प्राचार्य, प्राचार्या. छात्र, छात्रा. शिष्य, शिष्या. The only difference is you have to add आ की मात्रा at the last. Okay, that is only the change that you have to do. Then next main is नमूने के अनुसार वाक्य बदलिए. Here also you have to change the sentence according to the example. One example will be given. You have to see how they have changed. The same way you have to apply to the remaining questions. So मैं बेंगलुरु जा रहा हूँ. Answer is मैं बेंगलुरु जा रही हूँ. What is the difference? रहा हूँ will convert into रही हूँ. This change you have to apply in every answer. रहा हूँ से रही हूँ हो जाएगा. It means I am going to Bengaluru. Then second is वे खाने के लिए जा रहे हैं. So what will be the answer? वे खाने के लिए जा रही है. Whatever the question is asking you, you have to just change रही है. Okay, whether it is रहा है, रहे है, or whatever is written, you have to write it rahi hai, because in the example rahi hai is given. So the same pattern you have to follow. And the meaning of this is she is going to eat. Then third one, आप बाजार जा रहे हैं. This will change into आप बाजार जा रही हैं. You are going to the market. Okay, so now the next main is माता पिता के साथ यात्रा पर जाने के लिए 5 दिन की छुट्टी की प्रार्थना करते हुए छुट्टी पत्र लिखिए. Here again you have to write a letter, leave letter requesting for 5 days leave to go on a trip with your parents. So the same format will be applied again. Preshak. Preshak means from, the one who is sending, the one who is writing the letter. So, who is writing the letter? Zoya, 8वीं Kaksha, Brilliant High School, Bengaluru. I told you can change the name, you can change the school name, you can change the state name. Okay. Then Dinank will come on the right hand side. Then below Preshak, Seva mein, Kaksha Adhyapak means class teacher. You are writing this letter to your class teacher, Brilliant High School, Bengaluru. Then Adarniya Mahoday, that is salutation. Respected teacher, respected madam. विषय विषय क्या है? 5 दिन की छुट्टी के लिए प्रार्थना पत्र. रिक्वेस्टिंग टू ग्रांट 5 days लीव. मैं आपके विद्यालय की 8वीं कक्षा की छात्रा हूँ. इस पत्र से मैं निवेदन करना चाहती हूँ कि मेरे माता पिता यात्रा पर जा रहे हैं और मैं भी उस यात्रा का हिस्सा हूँ. मुझे दिनांक 1 फरवरी 2017 से 5 फरवरी 2017 तक की छुट्टी चाहिए. कृपा करके मुझे छुट्टी प्रदान करें. So, what she is writing, that I am student of your school. I am studying in 8th standard. I write this letter to inform you that my parents are going on a trip and even I am joining them. So I need 5 days holiday from, I need 5 days leave from, you have to mention the date from when to when you want the leave. From 1 February 2017 to 5th February 2017. I hope you will grant me the leave. Then you have to end your letter by writing आपकी आज्ञाकारी छात्र Zoya, yours obediently. Then on the left hand side, अभिभावक के हस्ताक्षर, your parent's signature will come here. Okay. So here we have done with the chapter. 2-3 letters we have studied in one video, because explanation also I have given in the same video and notes also I have given in the same video. So practice the format. Okay, it is not difficult. Practice it and your letter will carry 5 marks in your exam. So prepare it properly, how you have to write the preshak and seva mein, then adarniya, where you have to put comma and write neatly. Take fresh page and write properly so that you get proper marks in this. Don't lose your marks in letter. It is very easy, just you have to practice little bit. Okay, so I hope this video was useful. If you liked it, hit the like button, share and subscribe my channel for more such videos. Thank you.